Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wow! Thank you, Mel. Thank you, Mel. Thank you. Oh, wow, thank you po. Ayan, oh, sige. Open. Thank you. Galing kay mama yan. Oh. What that?
Baby D. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Hooray. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wow. Happy birthday to you.
Happy?
Happy birthday.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Ayan, okay, open.
Happy birthday
From mama din. Birthday to you.
Wow, Andre! My mom is Andre!
Favorite Hendrix.
Oh, ito.
Okay.
Pen.
Okay.
Mama again.
When you buy a fake smartphone,
Wow, Andre! Ito. Ito.
Ayan naman.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, how you Hendrix. Stickers.
Stickers. Friends and true.
Hendrix stickers.
Old friends and new. Ito.
Okay. From Froilan. Thank you, Froilan. Thank you, Ate Badet.
Open.
Okay.
Open.
Hindi kaya open. Okay. Wow, thank you!
Wow.
Ang cute!
Cute.
Oo, kasi ang dami,
Pahit ang
dami mong ipit eh. Wala alagaan. Thank you! Wow, thank you! Thank you, Froilan!
Thank you. Ito.
Ayan, okay.
No, no. Kasi binuksan ko yung ito.
Wow, thank you! Baka kay ano? Kay Seika, ganon.
Kasi ka ba?
Thank you. Ayan.
Ayan.
Thank you. Ayan, kay mama pa din.
Ayan.
Oo, gift ni mama. Sa'yo.
Ayan.
Oo nga. Alam ko gusto mo yan. Look.
Wow.
O, diba? Gusto mo yan?
Happy.
Oh. Pa? Kay Ashwin. Thank you, Ashwin. Thank you, Ate Angel.
Ashi.
Thank you.
Anak.
Wow, thank you. Wow, thank you, Ate. Thank you.
Melody.
Yes, my melody.
Milaw siya.
Thank you.
Mamaya, tignan natin ito na.
Mama, open.
Okay, from Richelle. Thank you, Richelle.
Check the season for more beta.
Yung favorite ni Sia yung nag-open siya ng gift. Lagyan mo doon.
Ano kaya ang challenge na to? Guys, paano mo kaya mas
Wow, what's that kayo? Excited na si Sia. Oh. Wow!
Ito. Oh.
Open.
Ah, si Rachel. Are you happy?
Happy.
Happy birthday, Sia!
Thank you.
Open ni Papa. Okay. Wow! Kitchen set toys. Thank you. Wow. Magugustuhan ni Sia yan kasi mahilig siya play din eh. Wow, thank you, Richard. Thank you. Thank you.
Ito.
Saya.
Open mo.
What's that? From kay Dwayne. Love Dwayne. Thank you, Dwayne. Thank you. Wow, ganda. Sleepwear melody. Thank you, Dwayne. Thank you, Ate Divine.
Ah. Ito.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ayan. From Mama.
Andito na yan.
Oh! What's that? What's that?
Wow, biscuit tray. Open.
Happy?
Wow, Odisea.
Wow, gustuhan mo.
Dito lang na. Next.
Ano pa? Open mo.
Ano pa na?
What's next?
Ito.
Lagay mo doon pa. Pag ano mo.
Open.
Ayan. Ito. Lagay sa dyan. Ito. Ayan. Ayos. Thank you. Ito din pa.
How do I get the EU blue card?
Thank you. Kay Nathan yan. Kay Nathan. Kay ate ni. Kay ate ano.
Odisea yan.
Oo. Gift ni Nathan sa'yo. Thank you. Wow.
The following requirements.
Wow.
You are in possession of either a German
Bag.
university degree or a foreign
Thank you,
university.
ate. And,
Ano?
Proof of the
hindi,
foreign
not last.
university
Ha?
being comparable to a German
Bigay sa'yo ni Mikay.
Do you
From
already
Mikay.
Thank you, Mikay.
Oh my God.
Ang bigat.
corresponds to your academic qualifications. Are you meeting
Open ni
the requirements
Papa.
for the EU blue card? Great. You can find more information on the
Thank you, Mikay. Thank you, ate. Wow! Melody!
Wow, everything.
Bigay ni Mika yan.
Thank you, Mikay. Birthday to you. Happy 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 birthday. O, di ba pinahirapan kita?
Sino ba to?
Oh, bigay sa kanya rin. Wala na kasi akong pambalot eh. Diyan ko na nilalagay.
Bigay mo rin?
Oo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
To you. Mamadali.
Mamadali.
Mamadali. Mamadali.
Wabi cup.
Oh, thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Kiss mo si Papa. Thank you, Papa. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Wow, ang sweet. Mama, wala. Mama.
Ang gigiyo.
Happy birthday. Thank you po sa mga
Open.
gift. Thank you po.
Anak, thank you.
Thank you po. Happy birthday. Open mo pa. Thank you po. Happy birthday, Sia.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Sia. Birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wow.
Birthday to you.
Wow.
Happy birthday, Sia. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Tuturo sa'yo si Mama nak.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Sia.